Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new profile on TVPlay2 account. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then type in play.tv2.no and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your TV2Play account like you normally do. Right where it says who's watching, make sure to log into your account, and after you are signed into the account, click on your name at the top right. Now click on a new profile option and select a name you would like to give to your profile. Once you are done, you can choose the color for your profile and then select if this is a child's profile or not. Finally, click upright and you will be able to create a new profile on TV2Play. Now, every time you are trying to switch between the profile, you can select any one of them. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.